Okay, that's another package from Amazon. Actually, this one I don't know what it is. I think it's my motherboard, but we'll see in a moment when I open it. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the motherboard. So we'll see in a moment. Just gotta cut all this gray plastic they have it wrapped around. Oh, so what's wrong? It wasn't my motherboard. It was actually the gimbal for my cell phone, which is I'm very happy now. I can do better shots from this point on. Haha, great. Oh my god, this is what it looked like. Just by look alone, it's awesome. It comes in this styrofoam box thingy, which is not a styrofoam. It's like a styrofoam coated with some sort of fiber, which is good to keep it in for trouble. Wow. So we're gonna be practicing with this one. Yeah, the first part of my computer has arrived. I believe it's the internal hard drive, and I'm gonna open it.